Hello my dear VLSI aspirants, welcome to Deep Silicon VLSI YouTube channel. Now for this given design, we need to find out the F. Guys, it is a little level 2 question, remember, because for n number of gates, we need to provide the output expression, that's it. Okay, now you see this 1, 2, 3 and so on n. Guys, this AND OR gate combination is going to repeat like this. So it's better to calculate the output it here, and maybe if you take this again to one more OR gate, and this will be the fourth gate, and we need to find out this expression so that we will get a clarity regarding the 6th or 8th and nth gate. Okay, now let's start. First one, at the second gate, output. What will be the expression? That is x0 into x1 plus x2. Similarly guys, for the fourth gate, what is the expression? It is like x3 into x0 x1 plus x2 plus x4, because guys for this will be x4 only, the same x1 x2 x3, this will be x4, right? This is the one, and so on. Even if you want to write the 6th gate or 8th gate, yeah, just go ahead. Yes, you can go. But now here we want to tell the nth gate expression. Yes, that's none other than output expression only. Now when you verify this from here, how you can write is, see the expression for n number of gates. That is simply guys, here it is like, see for this you just expand, it is x0 x1 x3 plus x2 x3 plus x4. Actually this is the fourth gate output, right? Isn't it? Yes. Now in the same way, here for nth gate output, it will be like x0, x1, x3 and so on. For nth gate, for fourth gate, you got x3. For nth gate, obviously you will get here xn minus 1. Because here for 3 na, plus x2, x3. Again guys, you can see here for fourth gate till x3 you got, hence x2 x3 and so on xn minus 1, because guys remember this is for nth gate, right? Now again plus for fourth gate x4, hence for nth gate xn, this one. So guys, for this given design, the logic expression for F means for n number of gates in this AND or cascading fashion. The expression is x0, x1, x3 and so on xn minus 1 plus x2, x3 and so on xn minus 1 plus xn. Right guys? Like these are some tricky examples where it can cultivate your logical reasoning. Right guys? I hope you like the video. See you in the next video. This is Shivram signing off. Jai Hind.